Alright, it must be here. It's Philip, Gordon, Emily, Thomas, Rosie, Mallard, Oliver, and Duck. Wait, Duck? What are we gonna do? Now, can you look at the list of engines we're gonna eliminate? Fine. Okay. A place to hide. Yes. I'll hide there. Alright, time to check the list. Philip, Gordon, Amazo, Thomas, Rosie, Mallard, Oliver. Let's go with the twerp. Fine. Oh no. Now, did you check the list? Yes, we checked the list. Alright, time to tell Boko and Bear. Now let's get started with Philip. Alright, done. Come with me now. Fine. What I'm saying is true. Diesel 10 and his team are gonna go after Philip next. Well, what are we waiting for? We gotta help Philip. No, Philip is gonna panic like he usually does. Well, what should we do? We will spy on Philip. And I know what's the next. It's Gordon. So, Harvey, you're with Philip and Ashima. Got it? So good. It looks like Philip is shunting. Here you go, James. Thank you. Wait, what the? A surprise. Oof, ow, oh, oh. Huh? That's not James. That's not it. I'll see what's going on. What the? Harvey? What are you doing? We're spying on Philip. Can you help? Sure. Well, what's gonna happen? I think that James is gonna bump into Philip as he will crash and damaging his wheel. Then we must help. Time to reverse. Oh. Huh? Oh no, you won't. Oh. Now time to talk to that engine. Hey, mister, you wanna have a hook? Huh? There we go. What just happened? Never mind. Looks like I found James. Help. Other engines kept stopping the other engines that are trying to destroy Sodor. It was soon up to Duck and Oliver. 1, 2, 3, push! Oh! Dun 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 dun. Are you ready to stop the train, Abdul? Sure am. As Duck and Oliver's train was coming past, the two diesels, the Boko and Abdul were ready. Brake! There was a point nearby. Nia just saw what happened and reversed and came to the siding. Watch out! The two said, or the four, as Nia went, making a smart idea in her mind, putting two of the coaches and putting their brakes on as she was reversing back. As one by one they coupled up to the coaches and they stopped.